and this is your GK class. We have completed the portion and we are going to do the revision because our examination is too near. So this is your revision sheet. Wherever you are facing problem, my dear, go through the revision sheet and you will get all the solution of each and every questions. Which subject, it doesn't matter. You go through the videos and in each and every subject you will get the solution. See here. Here are some questions. Answer these questions. Where are coal, petroleum, oil and gas stored? And where are they stored? You know, it is stored in the ground. Coal, petroleum, oil and gas, it is taken out from the ground. Coal is taken out from the coal mines, petroleum is taken out from inside, gas also. Now we will go to the next question. Which bulb uses very little bulb? I will show you the picture also of the bulb, and in each and every home you will see this. Which bulb? LED bulb. It gives more light and it uses very little energy, and it is long lasting also. It is durable, long lasting. If you purchase one LED bulb, you will get the guarantee also of 2 years, and more than 2 years it is working, my dear. So in each and every home now you will see the use of LED bulb. See the picture of one LED bulb. Now I am going to the next slide. What do we wear in hand for protection against cold and dirt? In winter season usually we were saying, let me write the answer. Earlier in winter season we were seeing people wearing gloves, but nowadays during this corona pandemic period we are watching that people, especially the health workers or people who is throughout in the gathering or in the communication with each other, they are having social service, they wear gloves, and this protects you from going the germs from one hand to another. That's why the uses of gloves has increased nowadays. Earlier only in winter when it was too cold, then we were using gloves. Now I will see the next question. Oh, this is the picture of gloves. See. Now see, who initiated the foundation of Punjab National Bank? And who initiated, my dear? Lala Lajpat Rai. Okay. And in the place of who you will write the name, and after that you will copy from the question. Initiated the foundation of Punjab National Bank. And I am showing you the picture of Lala Lajpat Rai. This is the picture of Lala Lajpat Rai. Now next, which animal is admired universally? And you know which animal is admired universally and why it is admired universally? I will show you the picture. That is lion. Lion is admired universally. You will copy from here. Okay, is admired universally. And why, you know? Because it is bold, confident, powerful, good looking. That's why. So these things makes us admirable. Not only good looking, boldness, he is strong also, powerful also. And how you can be powerful? You can be powerful by good eating habit, by doing all the things on right time, doing regular exercise, means by following the path which is told by your parents, because your parents always try to make you strong, powerful. See the picture of lion. Now, which animal crows every morning and let the world know it's time to get up? In the place of which animal I will write cock, because cock crows every morning and let the world know it's time to get up. Okay, and not only they, my dear, not only crow, all the birds and all the animals especially, they get up as soon as the sun rises and sleeps as soon as the sun sets. These animals are very close to the nature, and that's why you will see animals are rarely falling sick. I am showing you the picture of cock. See. Which palace is called the perfect summer palace? And in the place of which palace, what we will write? Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal. And then we will copy. Is called the perfect summer palace. Why, you know? See, only I have changed one word in the place of which palace, Hawa Mahal. Rest I have copied from the question. If you will copy from the question, what is the advantage of copying from the question? You know, you will have minimum mistakes. Now, why it is called perfect summer palace? You can see here windows, number of windows. There are 953 windows, and the breeze crosses from one side to another, and crossing of the winds make it a perfect summer palace, because it is cool from inside. As you know, Hawa Mahal, Hawa means air, breeze, Mahal means palace. Together it becomes the palace of breeze, and these windows allow breeze to blow from one side to another and make it very airy. That's why it is cool in summer, and this is why it is called a perfect summer palace. Which monument is built in the memory of more than 80,000 Indian soldiers? And in the place of which monument, what we will write? India Gate. And then we will copy this. Okay, is built in the memory of more than 80,000 Indian soldiers. Okay, and in which when they were killed, they lost their life in First World War and Bangladesh Liberation War. See, this is the picture of India Gate. What is the another name of Golden Temple? And another name of Golden Temple is Harminder Sahib. You start from here, the another name of Golden Temple. temple. And what is the another name of golden temple, my dear? The another name of golden temple is Harmandir Sahib. From where you will write the answer? From here. The another name of golden temple is Harmandir Sahib. And it is also known as Darbar Sahib. Okay. Now I am going to show you the temple, the golden temple. Where golden temple is there, means it is in between a water body, means pool is surrounding the golden temple, and when it is the full moon day, it reflects on the water and it looks very beautiful. Next you will see what is the another name of India Gate. And the another name of India Gate is, from here you will start the answer. The another name of T, you will write capital when writing the answer, and you will add is Indian Army's tomb. Why it is called Indian Army's tomb, my dear? Because it is built in the memory of 80,000 Indian Army who participated in First World War as well as Liberation War of Bangladesh. Okay. Now you all will write SW and date in your copy, and then you will write in beautiful handwriting, and as in all the videos I am explaining you, write little darker. And all the 4 subjects make one PDF, my dear, one by one. Whatever 4 subjects you are having, suppose you are having today Hindi, English, GK, Math. First Hindi, then English, then GK, then Maths, and only one PDF per day you will send. Okay? Thank you, dear. Thank